He told the judge he had no money, which he had $70,000 that he
All
put
right,
in a bank account.
Ms. Calkins, how much do you make an hour?
$10 an hour.
He makes $20 an hour, and
How do you know this?
because I have bank statements at my house that I have right here in front of me.
From wait,
He makes deposits every Friday at his banking account.
I make a
wait.
$50 deposit every
Hold
Friday.
on, Mr. Calkins. Hold on, wait, because now I'm intrigued. All right, hold on a second.
The state will call Jody Calkins. Ms. Calkins, why wasn't there any child support ordered in the divorce decree that was from April 22nd, 2021?
Because Matthew Calkins was in Sabine County Jail, and he told the judge he had no money, which he had $70,000 that he put in a banking account.
Ms. Calkins, so the reason why there was no support set in the previous order was because he was incarcerated at the time?
Yes, and said he had no money.
Right. And are you asking the court today to set child support and medical support?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. What kind of health insurance do you have for your child, JC Calkins?
He has Medicaid.
All right. I have no further questions. I pass the witness.
Call your next witness.
All right, guys, it all starts here the moment truth meets exposure. She tells the judge he lied about being broke when he actually hid $70,000 in a bank account. You can feel the disbelief in the room. The judge leans forward, intrigued. The air thickens as the courtroom realizes this isn't just about child support, it's about deception. Every question slices deeper, and every pause screams guilt. You can practically hear the truth shaking loose beneath his calm answer.
At this time, the state will call Mr. Calkins. Mr. Calkins, do you have any other minor biological children who are below the age of 18?
No, sir.
Where are you currently working?
Here in Hemphill, Texas.
All right. What do you do for work?
Construction.
Okay. Are you paid hourly?
Yes.
How much do you make an hour?
$10 an hour.
And how many hours do you work on average each week? And how many hours do you work on average each week?
About 40 hours a week, give or take, depending on weather and stuff.
And does your employer provide any health insurance?
No.
And do you have any other sources of income, or is that your only job?
That's my only income.
I have no further questions for Mr. Calkins.
Calkins, yes, sir.
All right.
And the judge turns to the man. How much do you make an hour? The answer stumbles out, $10, but something's off. She jumps in, firing back that it's $20 an hour. The courtroom shifts. Even the judge senses the storm brewing. He keeps it professional, but the tension is electric. She's got receipts, statements, and proof. He's got excuses. You can see the moment the judge realizes someone isn't telling the full story.
I would like to call Ms. Calkins back for one additional question, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ms. Calkins, do you have any safety concerns about your address or contact information being disclosed in any order of the court?
No, sir.
All right. No further questions.
Can I ask some questions about visitation?
Nope.
That's not.
They didn't file a lawsuit, Ms. Calkins, about visitation. Just child support.
Okay.
So, no, you can't ask questions about visitation, but I don't mind telling you that I can't address visitation because nobody filed a lawsuit about visitation.
Okay.
The only issue before me today is the child support and the medical support. That's it.
Okay. That's fine.
Ms. Calkins, was there anything else that you did think I needed to know about the case before I made a ruling in regards to the child support and the medical support?
He makes $20 an hour, and
how do you know this?
Because I have bank statements at my house that I have right here in front of me.
From wait,
he makes deposits every Friday at his banking account.
I make a $50 deposit every Friday.
Hold on, Mr. Calkins. Hold on, wait, because now I'm intrigued. All right, hold on a second. Ms. Calkins, do you work for the bank?
No, sir.
How do you have
Things heat up fast. The judge recalls her, demanding clarity. How did she get his bank statements? Her words stumble, but the truth spills. They came to my house. The courtroom gasps. Wait, his mail? On top of her refrigerator? The judge can't believe what he's hearing. The camera would zoom on her nervous hands, the judge's raised brows. It's not just financial fraud now, it's invasion, exposure, and desperation colliding in front of everyone. Justice smells blood.
Mr. Wait, just answer my question, okay? Don't keep rambling on. How do you have access to Mr. Calkins' bank statements?
Because all his stuff is here.
I don't know where here is.
He's at my residence.
Okay, so all of his bank statements come to your house?
As far as I know, they have been, but
Okay,
these
hold on,
these
hold
old
on.
statements
Wait, these are old statements from when?
from August of
What year?
20 this year, August 31st of 23.
All right, so you have Mr. Calkins' bank statements. Quit moving around, Miss Calkins. You're making me
yes, sir.
making me sick.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, I had to get up.
It's
and look at
okay.
the paper.
So Mr. Calkins' bank statements come to your house. They're mailed to your house.
Yes, sir.
All right, and you open them.
No, these are some old ones that was on top of the refrigerator.
All right, well, they're not that old, ma'am. If they're from August
Well,
of
I mean, it's just,
23.
I found it on top of the refrigerator.
Mr. Calkins, how did your bank statements get on top of Miss Calkins' refrigerator?
And I don't know how they got opened. You're completely right, sir. I've been living here before August 31st.
Did you happen to leave some mail behind with Miss Calkins?
I didn't take no mail with me.
Okay, so it's possible you left bank statements behind.
The judge digs in harder, dissecting every detail. Did you open them? No, sir, she says quickly. But the dates don't lie. August 2023. He's been out of jail for over a year, and somehow, those statements ended up in her kitchen. The courtroom silence is deafening. You can feel the tension bouncing off the walls. The judge's patience is razor thin. This is where courtroom reality meets chaos, where every small lie starts exploding under the bright light of justice.
Possibly, yes, sir.
Okay. Because you haven't opened any of his bank statements, right, Miss Calkins?
No, sir. It was
That'd be-
already been. It was his bank statements laying up there on the refrigerator.
All right. Mr. Calkins, is there anything else you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
No, sir.
When did you get out of jail, Mr. Calkins?
July 27th to 22.
So you've been out of jail for what?
A little over a
16
year.
months?
About that, yes, sir.
Since he's been out of jail, Miss Calkins, have you and Mr. Calkins been living together?
We did at one point, yes, sir.
When did y'all separate?
We
A couple months
separated.
ago.
Hold on. I'll get to you, Mr.
Oh, I'm
Calkins.
sorry.
That's all right. I wasn't specific. That's not your fault. When did y'all separate, Miss Calkins?
In August.
Okay, so you've only been separated a month.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That makes things a little easier. Miss Calkins, are you and Mr. Calkins legally married?
No, sir.
All right, because y'all have the same last name.
Yes, sir.
Why do you have the same last name, Miss Calkins?
I can't. When I got to the divorce, it came across pretty quick, and I just
Never mind. I'm sorry. You're good. You got divorced in 2021. You had his name then. Don't worry about it.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Sometimes I get focused on the issue and I forget where it is I am. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
All right. Anything further from
The judge now presses into their personal mess. Are you two still living together? We were, she admits, until August. It's clear they're freshly separated, still tangled in emotions and money. Even the judge loses track for a second, caught in the drama. He shakes it off, recalibrates, and the courtroom exhales. The emotional weight here is real betrayal, confusion, and broken TIs. It's not just law anymore. It's raw human fallout, and everyone's watching it unfold.
the state?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Mr. Calkins, is there anything else you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
No, sir.
All right. Child support's $300 a month, medical support's $50 a month, beginning October the 1st of 2023, and every month thereafter until the emancipation date of the child.
Yes, sir.
Court costs are due by Mr. Calkins, but I will give him until March 31st of 2024. How's that?
And what is the amount of the court cost?
No idea, Mr. Calkins. No clue. I'm in 9 different counties, Mr. Calkins. I have no idea what the district clerk's office for one
When and how
county
would I be able to find out?
So when I'll sign the order that they send to me and I'll send it back to them, then they'll make a copy of it and send it to you. The AG's office will send it to you. Contained within that order will have the information for the Sabine District Clerk's office. You can call.
Now, will I be served, or do they have my address?
Well,
I haven't set up. I haven't set up a case yet
You haven't set up a
with
case.
the AG's office.
Well, I mean, the address that's going to be in my court order, wherever they served you.
Oh, that was at Sabine County Jailhouse then.
Oh, okay. Do you have a good address on him now, Mr. McNulty?
North Texas Street in Hemp Hill.
Is that right, Mr. Coughlin?
Yes, but there's another address that it could be. There's two possibilities, 2 different addresses on Texas Street.
Well, I don't want you
One was my.
I don't want you broadcasting.
One was my parole address, and one's my address now. That's what I'm trying to see. I mean, I'm not.
Yeah.
I don't care if anybody else knows my address. I don't.
Okay. I mean, it's just going to be broadcast to the internet. So if you just blurt it out, everybody that watches is going to be able to see it.
But that's fine. It's Texas Street.
Is that what you got, Mr. McNulty?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Okay. They have your correct address, Mr. Calkins. So when they send you the order, in the order will have the information about how to contact Sabine District Clerk. You can contact the district clerk and they'll tell you how much you owe them.
Okay.
And then you'll have at least,
Finally, the gavel drops. Child support $300 a month. Medical $50. The judge's tone cuts like stone, final and unshakable. The man stands silent. The courtroom has witnessed it all. Lies, exposure, and truth crashing together. The judge lays down deadlines, addresses, and procedures, but make no mistake, the message is clear. Accountability just found its mark. Alright guys, that's justice served cold. Like, share, and subscribe because this courtroom doesn't play favorites. It plays truth.